Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Google Workspace email in 2023. Google Workspace provides professional email service with your own custom domain, giving your business a more professional and branded image. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of setting up your Google Workspace email. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can go and open whatever browser you would like to you have in your PC or you prefer. And of course, after that, you will have to access the Google Workspace admin console. To set up your Google Workspace email, you'll need to access the Google Workspace admin console. So once you open your browser, navigate to the admin console by entering to go to the URL section, simply type admin.google.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, you will be taken to this page. So make sure to enter your informations and your password. And simply, okay, I missed the password. So it should be, I guess, something like this. Maybe this is right. Okay, so it was changed. Let me just check the password, double check the password. I'm coming back. Yeah, so I changed the password, it seems. So let's just go with this one. I guess this is the right password. Okay, so let me just copy it from here so we don't even waste time and click on next. Yeah, I did not even write it like wrong now. So as you can see, sign in with an administrator account. So to sign into admin.google.com, use an administrator account for managed Google service such as Google Workspace or Cloud Identity. And of course, you can simply add an account from here. So you can go with this one as example. Let's see if it's possible. And of course, I'll have to paste the code. Just see. So yeah, so I'm just going to click on that now. I'll not have to do that at the moment. And you will have, of course, here to add like a workspace account. So let me just go with this. It's something like that. I'm not a robot. Click on next and go with the password with this. Click on next. And okay, they're actually telling me to verify my phone number. So let me do so and I'm coming back. So once I do so, of course, I will receive this code right here and simply I'll click on verify. And once I do so, of course, as you can see, I'll have to go and read, of course, all of that. Then make sure to click on understand because I just created my account like some moments ago. That's why, and I forgot to enter my phone number. That's why they asked me to do so. So for now, as you can see, we'll have to go and choose a plan. As you can see, we'll find like this flexible plan or like annual plan. So depending on whatever you like, as you can see, you can choose whatever suits you. So for me, I'm just going with this plan. You can even add a promo code if you have one. Then simply click on try free days. You can try some free days if you want to. And here, of course, I'm just going to add like some addresses. You can even like change your primary contacts. And here you'll have to enter like the card details. So let me just enter my card details and I'm coming back into you again. So once you do so, as you can see, my workspace account has been created. And as you can see, you're ready to set up your business account and get like this email working with Gmail. We'll walk you through each step. You can continue to the setup of setting up your accounts as we said. With Gmail, which is the idea of this video normally. So as you can see, welcome to the admin console. Click on next. This is where you'll manage your account and let's take some steps. So activate Gmail for mromex0.com and of course route your email in Gmail's inbox. This will just take from you 5 minutes and wait time may be up to 60 minutes. So click on activate. And as you can see, click. So here you'll have to sign in to the domain name that you have it on. Simply you'll have to put normally my password here. Go sign in, or let's just go sign in with Google right away, and it should be good. So click on connect, and we should be good to go. Yeah, so they're refreshing the page, and as you can see, we're activating Gmail. So after 5 minutes maybe, or after this finish, I'll come back to you again. So once everything is created, as you can see, Gmail is activated for mromx.com, and create new users. You'll be able to create new users or skip for now. I'm just going to skip for now. And here we are. You are on your way to set up your accounts. So as we said, we wanted to set up our accounts. So now, once we verified our domain, we'll have to even, like as an example, we'll be able to set up some email delivery, create some user email account, customize the email settings, and configure like email clients and devices, enable additional features, and even train users and provide supports. So once you're finished all of those, as you can see, as you can see, you've completed 2 of 13 things in your Google Workspace setup and tour. Once you finish it all, you'll be all set up. So as you can see, you'll have to finish those things provided here. If you finish everything, you can simply click on done. And as you can see, this will finish. So you can go and upload your files, as you can see, to Drive, store, share, and collaborate on files and folders from anywhere. Click on done as an example. Here, make something new. So create and edit new documents, presentation, or spreadsheets, all from any browser, anywhere. Click on done as an example if you finish. Represent your team, brand your Google Workspace by adding your own logo and team members. All team members see it. Click on done example if you finish. Of course, for me, I'm not finishing it. So for you, of course, you'll have to go and click on those blue buttons and finish everything you will have to do in the tour. So once you keep clicking on done, as you can see, to set up a verification, schedule an event, personalize your profile, advanced email for you, and finally it's going to be the Google Workspace in your pocket. So update and securely access all your files from anywhere with the Google Workspace mobile apps. Click on done as an example once you get the apps, and you'll normally be good to go. So as you can see, even if you finish, you've just completed 13 of 22. So new things added to your Google Workspace. So as you can see, to do and what's done here, you can even go back to it and do it if you want to. And as you can see, things to set up, you'll find, so go through everything here. And once you finish, you will find yourself ready and you set up your account. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully set up your Google Workspace email in 2023. With your custom domain and professional email service, you can communicate with clients and colleagues in a more professional manner. So make sure to explore the various features and settings available in Google Workspace to make the most out of your email experience. So thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of Google Workspace email for your business. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.